In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see archived deals in Freshsales CRM. When deals are no longer active, they are often moved into a lost stage. In many setups, that lost stage functions like an archive because it keeps the deal history without leaving it in your active pipeline. The main thing to know is that the Kanban board view usually focuses on active stages, so if you are only looking there, it can feel like those older deals disappeared. We are going to use the deals area and a simple filter to bring them back into view. First, go to your left sidebar and click the Deals icon. This opens your Deals section where you can view all deal records your account has access to. Next, switch to List View. Look for the table style icon that represents a list. Select that view so you are seeing deals in a table format. This is important because List View works best with filters, and it can display records that might not show up on the Kanban board, especially if they are considered inactive. Now open the filters. Find the filter icon near the top of the deals list and click it. This will open the filtering options for the list you are viewing. Once the filter panel is open, filter by stage. In the stage options, check the box beside the lost stage. In this context, lost is treated like archived because it groups the deals that are no longer being worked as active opportunities. If you have multiple lost type stages, select the one that matches how your team marks deals that are done or closed out. After you select lost, click apply. The page will refresh, and your deals list will update to show only the deals in that lost stage, which effectively shows your archived deals. At this point, take a moment to scan the list and confirm you are seeing the older deals you expected. If the list is still too broad, you can use additional filters later, but for viewing archived deals, the key is filtering the stage to Lost and List View. And that is all there is to it.